Still got CAJ on the door, baby. I need to design me a logo, y'all. If I ever start this thing back up, I'm gonna pull these letters off the door. I'm gonna put me a logo on here. That way I can look official, right? That big C15 engine, man. Try to remind y'all what all I did to this thing. It's got a lot of new parts on here. It's got a brand new, I believe this is the AC compressor. Nope. No, it's not. Air compressor. Nope. It's the AC dryer. It's the AC dryer or the air dryer? It's the air dryer, ain't it? I think it's the air. It's some type of dryer. This is the AC dryer. Yeah, I think this the AC dryer. This the air dryer. Something like I didn't forgot the man. You can tell I ain't on the Optin so long. Whew, Jesus. We got a brand new AC compressor with brand new AC lines on here. As y'all can see, we got a brand new clutch fan in there. I see I'm gonna do some manual autofocus on here. There we go. So we got that brand new AC compressor, my bad. Brand new clutch fan. Brand new clutch fan, brand new AC compressor, new AC lines. The only thing I didn't do with this engine, I didn't do the turbos. So the turbos, although they're still good, they're not new. And then we got the oil cooler right here that runs underneath there. We left that all on the side. So if I ever get this truck making money, I will put 2 new turbos on here with an oil cooler on this left side over here. But y'all know this truck modified, so you know it's a little bit different. There you have it. On this side we also did the new shots. Shots are cheap. Let's go to the other side, but it's time to cut the grass. I need to call my lawn guy out here. Cut the grass. Ooh, I don't want to touch that. On this side, brand new air compressor. Believe that was about $700. Got a brand new stage 2 cylinder head. I got that for about $3,500. Brand new. So that's the cylinder head up top, and then inside the motor, we did the whole inside. We got the IPD 16-to-1 overhaul kit. That's all brand new. And like I said, you got the air compressor with the brand new air governor. You also got all the filters and stuff that been changed out. Only thing I would do on this oil filter right here, I would change out this base up top. I believe the base is like $300. I would get the one where you could prime it in case the engine ever ran out of oil. We also got 2 new oil sensors on here. One is an oil sensor, the other one I forgot. Both of them sensors are brand new. We got a new turbo boost sensor, I believe it's on the other side up top over there. We changed that out too. And we did some other sensors on here. This cat engine got about 7 sensors on it, if I can remember. The cam sensor, we did that. I believe I did the speed sensor. The only thing I didn't do on this engine when I had it rebuilt, I should have paid them to paint the engine. Because if they would have painted the engine would look brand new right now. See, somebody they never owned nothing, they don't know that. There's no way to tell that all this is new. Okay? So, you know, and well, the only way to tell is, of course, if I present the paperwork, which I do got the paperwork. I got all the paperwork for the whole overhaul. But anyways, so that's just your update on that right there. It needs some coolant. It's got a coolant leak with the AC in the back. The sleeper AC is leaking coolant. So, anything else with this engine that I can remember? Told y'all new clutch fan. Oh yeah, it's got a new radiator too. Forgot to tell y'all. See the sticker still on the radiator right here. It's got a brand new radiator with the clutch fan. New belts. What it needs, tires. New steer tires. These got Firestone, but I think on the other side it's got 3 nails in it. So it needs tires all the way around. So I would just get brand new tires all the way around. Definitely steer tires. It's already here, the 3-axle alignment, but change out these tires, I get another alignment. Other than that, man, I ran this truck as a Amazon yard jack. I liked it. Turning radius is perfect. It's definitely 10 times better than the Classic when it comes to that turning radius. This truck right here, you're gonna be able to get anywhere. It'd be a good truck for fuel hauling too. At Usher Transport, because they got the, I don't know what they got where they haul these full-size trucks, but it's got the turning radius. No, my truck is not for sale. I don't have nothing for sale. Okay, we wait and see if truck can turn around. Now this right here, you see how I can just park a truck here, and I understand the lease of fleets, they didn't disappear. Ain't nothing wrong with that. The realer fleets, they still here. Now, if you don't know the difference, the faker fleet is when you pretending like you own the truck. The realer fleet is when you actually own it, and no matter what. Do I got the date on the phone? Where's my? Y'all be asking. Let me go get my phone. Y'all be, hey Andrew, man, why you keep shooting these old videos, man? Come on, man, you shot this last year. Let me go get my phone. See what the date is. See what the date is. Shout out to that Freightliner Classic, man. One day I wonder if it'll start up. We'll go get my phone, see what the date is. See if it's an old video. Hold on now. Got all these women hitting my line now. Hold on now. Alright. Can y'all see that? It's May 27. You see that? Monday, May 27, Memorial Day. It's not an old video. So now that we done established that on May 27, 2024, Andrew still owns 2 trucks. Yes, I own the 3rd truck. I just ain't got it around right now. I need to bring it. Who cutting grass, man? I need to hire that dude right now. I wonder if that's a commercial lawn service. Get them to cut all that shoe shine over here and come get all underneath my truck and stuff. Seems like every time I get the grass cut, come back and this damn thing grew again. But like I said, I need to get a maintenance list. So for all y'all that's thinking about getting a truck in the future, look, this just what I would do to my trucks personally. This ain't telling you what to do, nothing like that. It's just what I got to do. All right, I already own trucks. Hey Andrew, if I need to take this truck OTR, okay, what do I need to do? Well, obviously, let's start with the engine and work our way back. Told you, 2 new steer tires, okay. Depending on how much trucking turning around, I would just toss on 2 brand new turbos and the oil cooler, and I would do an overhead adjustment, change the oil, change the filters, ready to go. Ready to go, ride it until it blow. Ride until it blow. So, that's all I would do. Moving on to the back of the truck. Like I said, I replace all the tires. This exhaust right here, I want them straight piped. I don't want no more, I don't want the muffler on here no more. I was straight pipe, and also this bottom bracket right here, even if I don't want to straight pipe it, this bottom bracket on this side need to be replaced. It's not a DOT violation because it's not underneath the sleeper, but yeah, I can see where it's got a hole going through. Leave the hole is just right there. Oh, nope, right there too. Well, y'all can see that right here. Yeah, I can see it. It's got that hole right there. So it's not a DOT violation because it's not underneath the sleeper. That one over there is fine, but this bottom bracket could be changed out. But like I said, I want straight pipes, so I do the whole thing. That bracket right there need to be tightened. Better yet, replaced. Empire Chrome would do all the shoe shine for me over there in Memphis. Go to Empire Chrome. I would these got flex pipes, so I guess from this bottom bracket up, they'll just give me a whole straight pipe. So I replaced that. Of course, we need 4 batteries. I would change out both these mini shots, both these mini airbags, change that out. I had a frame painted back. Repaint the frame black, that's about $500. We got brand new brake chambers. Y'all know I did Amazon. I changed out both these brake chambers. It's also got real good thick brakes on here already. The back brake chambers I'm gonna have changed out. Since I did the front, I might as well do these back, these 30 pound case. I believe those are 30s. I would change them out. Change these out. If these air lines ain't chafing, which they not, I would also change out these. When I do these back brake chambers, change out them slack adjusters also. Got the rubber starting to tear right here on this torque arm. Replace this torque arm, that's about 120, I believe. Ain't nothing but just some bolts right here. Change out that torque arm. Both them brake chambers with them slack adjusters in the back, change that out. If the brakes are too rusted or they don't work, I just put brand new brakes on, man. Brakes still, I don't know what the price of this stuff is nowadays. They were $50 a box. So about $50 a tire, put it like that. Brand new airbags. Airbags should be about $100 each. So $400 for airbags, $50 for these brake chambers. That's what we at, $500. Slack adjuster maybe $100 each. So that's $500, $600, $700. This right here is, we just say $200. So what was I just said? Damn, I lost count. What was that? 5, 6, 7, 8. That's 800. I believe I was at 8. I can't remember. We don't say $1,000. $1,000 get all the shoes shine good. You know, like I said, if any of them airlines are chafing, I just get brand new airlines, man, and just reroute all these new airlines for DOT. You know, paint the frame. Like I said, me go do that $500. This old school right here, I don't really like these, but in the beginning, I just go to Freightliner and just get a new bracket. I believe the bracket is like $12, $10 for the bracket, and then of course the mud flap. Yeah, you can keep the mud flap and the DOT reflector tire. I just want to get the rust off, or better yet, just spray paint over it. Shoot, ain't nothing wrong with it right now. It's legal. It's DOT legal. You got your reflective tape, your mud flap. You got your lights in the back. Of course, the lights got to work. So that's what we're looking like in the back. Got a brand new fifth wheel. Cost me about $1,800. Other than that, I had already changed out the fluid in both the differentials. That's got brand new synthetic fluid in it. Only thing I would do, which is what I was gonna do next, this drive line need to go. So it's broken up into 3 sections. Uh-oh, I just dropped something. Oh, I got it. There you go. So this drive line is broken up into 3 sections. This is the middle section. Back here is the back section. From right here to the middle, right in here is the back section. This back section is alright. This middle section got to go. You get it from Freightliner. It's about $2,500. You can put a brand new drive line on here. I would get the one where you can grease too. This one you can't grease, that's why it's all jacked up. Yes, it still works. Yes, it still turns. It's just not a lot of flats in it. $2,500. Then you got the front drive section. I believe that's another $2,500 from Freightliner. Okay, so that's who sell them. Yes, it's still in stock. That's where I would get it from. How do I know? Because I already priced it out in the past. It's got brand new airlines already ready to go. So not much, man. Not much. If you want to take all this shoe shine off, you know, if you want to do that, you can do that. All this right here, you can take all this off. These tires look real decent, but the rest of them got to go. They got a deal on Yokohama tires too, $80 off per tire over at Love's. Seen them when I was in the fuel island, walking my fat ass in there to get some McDonald's. But I gotta stay away from that truck stop food. So yeah, man, not much, man. Look, like I said, $1,000, get all this shoe shine. $5,000 in the middle. If you want to do a drive line, you ain't got to. You know, you can always drive it to a brake. You definitely ain't gotta do the front or the back, that middle section. You know, I'm not the driveline expert. I'm just, you know, I'm working for Mr. Charlie. So, you know, take 2 paychecks, get a new driveline. Or better yet, take 2 paychecks and get all new tires. Nah, they ain't enough. Hold on, let me count. 15, 3,000. You need a whole month of checks for tires. Working with Mr. Charlie gonna take you a month for tires. Shit, that's crazy. A month for tires. When I hear my own shit, man, goddamn 1-2 days, all the tires on here. Crazy how times and changed. Spring hangers, U-joints, all that look alright. I have my mechanic look over all that. Whatever he said needs, just gonna pay the money and get the shit brand new. So, man, not much. I see something I don't like though. Yeah, I don't like that. What's on the other side over there? Strap? I don't like that. Is that original? Yeah, I would find something else to hold that hood on. That look like something needs to be custom. Maybe that's how they came. I gotta get that changed out. But other than that, man, it's not too much to the truck. You know, the engine and the transmission, those are the main things. Make sure you change out your transmission fluid, top it off, make sure you're doing your oil changes. This engine only got about 5,000 miles on the overhaul. You know, that's all they got, man. Overhaul was done 2 years ago. We ain't done damn near no work to it. You know, I set this truck for 2 years. If y'all don't remember, I rebuilt the engine, set the truck for 2 years, and then I became an Amazon yard jockey, which I did that for what, 2-3 weeks, and made over what, shit, I think like 10 bands doing that. 10 bands in like 2 weeks worth of work. I know the first week we came up with like 5,500, and then I did it with JB Hunt. I think I did another 3 or something like that. I don't remember. You gotta go back and watch them videos. Make sure I ain't got no rodents growing up in here. No ants or nothing. Oh look, we already got slack adjusters sitting right here. We already got slack adjusters already right here. As far as the inside go, man, you know, of course that stick, I already got a brand new custom stick sitting up there. I don't want to get it too dirty up in here. Let me step in here. I ain't stepped up in here in a long time.